Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from La Roche-Posay. Now if you're not familiar with La Roche-Posay, you're missing out. But I always say, pretty much every time I talk about La Roche-Posay, that they are one of the most underrated skincare brands out there. They're in every big box drugstore, any place you can buy skincare. They make a lot of great products for sensitive skin, as well as for people that like a lot of sun protection, like I do. So, my first time opening this up, I'll let you guys take a look inside, and let's see what they sent me. I love these PR boxes from La Roche-Posay, not gonna lie, I love it. Okay, I have not used this before. This is the La Roche-Posay. This is for normal to dry skin. And this is the Tolerian Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Ooh, this sounds amazing. So it says it's soap-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free. It's got ceramide 3 plus niacinamide. So as you can tell, it's going to be very gentle, but also very moisturizing. And this does have a safety seal on it, so I always appreciate that. And I'm actually looking forward to using this. I have another cleanser from them that I use. And, ooh, okay. So we got a cleanser. Let's see what we got next. And, ooh, lovely. We got some lotion, or I should just say we got moisturizing cream. So it's called the Lipikar AP Plus M. This is the Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream, lipid replenishing, up to 48-hour hydration, suitable for babies and adults. And you can use this on your face as well as body. And this is also good for people that have eczema. It says it has accepted E, National Eczema Association. So for those of you that have sensitive dry skin, if you have eczema, you can give this a try. I actually haven't tried this myself yet. I'm looking forward to it. So the Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream, this is for face and body. Next, we've got, ooh, something for the bath. Or you can also use this on your face. So again, this is another bath and body product. I've used this one before on my body, but you could actually use it on your face. It's pretty rare that a product that claims to be for body or for face, a product that claims to be for body and face, usually they work better for one other or the other. This is so gentle you can actually use it on your face. So again, if you have eczema, sensitive skin, this is fragrance free, as well as, fragrance free. I'm pretty sure it's probably sulfate free. It's actually not. Don't listen to me. But this is still really good for sensitive skin. So this is the Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. Again, you can use this for face and body. And this also has shea butter and niacinamide in it. So very nice. And of course, you gotta have the Eau Thermale Peau Sensible. This is the Thermal Spring Water Sensitive Skin. And it's just an aerosol mineral water spray. So this is nice for cooling down. You can use this for setting your makeup. If you're like me and you wear a lot of serums or do a lot of serums in your skincare routine, some serums you need to have a nice hydrated canvas to work on. So putting a light spritz of this over your face and then applying the serum so it can work its magic. So this is one of their cult favorite products. And then I've got 3 more items. Ooh, this is new to me. I'm familiar with the moisturizer, but now they have the moisturizer with SPF. So this is the Tolerian Double Repair Face Moisturizer, but this has UV 30 in it, SPF 30 in it. That's very cool. So this is oil-free, it's fragrance-free, it's non-comedogenic, so it won't break you out. I always love the packaging on this. Let's see if we can squeeze some out. Whoop. There we go, just a tiny bit. I want to check it out. I'm so psyched. There we go. Very nice. And I love it's non-greasy. Look at that. Non-greasy. You know how some sunscreens can feel really oily, really greasy, really heavy. So actually I'm really excited that they now have that. This is also the Double Repair Face Moisturizer. A lot of people that complain they have, or don't complain, but people who have oily skin, this is oftentimes a really good moisturizer, the Double Repair Moisturizer. And now you can also get it with SPF 30, so that's pretty cool. All right, got 2 more items. This is new to me as well. This is the Cicaplast Balm B5. This also has the Roche-Posay thermal water already in it. And let's see, what is this? This is a soothing therapeutic multi-purpose cream for cracked, chapped, and chafed skin. All right. So it sounds like you could probably use this pretty much where you need it. Let's take a look. I want to take a look at the texture. So it's got a white cream texture, and we'll put it on this hand. And feels like a nice moisturizing balm. It leaves just a little layer of moisture, but it's not greasy. I might be smelling some of my sunscreen from this one, I'm not sure. But this is interesting, something different. So, temporarily protects and helps relieve cracked, chapped, and chafed skin. So great for the hands, use around your cuticles, that kind of thing. All right, and the last one from their Anthelios line. They have the most amazing Decadent sunscreen lotion, sunscreen moisturizers. They just melt into your skin, and they have a high level of SPF. So this is a great one. This is for face and body. So I'm sensing a theme here. A lot of the products this time around that they were kind enough to gift me are for face and body, which is pretty cool. And this is one of the few brands I find does it really well. If it says it's for your face and body, you can literally use it on your face and your body. It's not going to be, oh, it's too heavy for your face, but it's good for your body, or it's too light for your body, but you can use it on both. So this is the Anthelios Melt in Milk. I love that name. Anthelios Melt in Milk Sunscreen. Fast absorbing, velvety finish for all skin types. This is with SPF 60. So let's go ahead and pop this open. So just a perfect, convenient squeeze tube, high SPF. You can take this with you. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on. This hand doesn't have any sunscreen yet. Again, ooh, look at that texture. Even though I already have something on my skin, which is ideal, because a lot of times you want to put your sunscreen last. You probably already have other stuff on. There we go. Lovely. Well, very cool. Very exciting. Thank you so much, La Roche-Posay, for hooking me up once again with this very generous PR box, and I will be using the heck out of these products. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like this story. Feel free to send me comments. I'm happy to respond. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.